Welcome to this series on creating an Angular component library. We're going to start by creating a new NX workspace. If you're not familiar with NX, head over to nx.dev to find out more. Essentially, it is a suite of powerful developer tools to enable us to build our project in a monorepo style format, run testing, building, and scale up our project with computation caching. We can easily get started by running npx create NX workspace. We then choose the workspace name. This will typically be the organization name or the name that everything will be grouped under. In this case, I'll choose DevBytes. Next, we choose the type of workspace we want to create. We are going to start from scratch and create an empty workspace. Finally, we can choose if we want to leverage NX Cloud. This allows us to share our cache between other team members and our CI build. It has a generous free tier, so we might as well enable it. NX will now install their dependencies and create our workspace for us. And we're ready to go. Navigate to the folder that was just created. NX supports a vast number of frameworks and tooling, and they provide these in individual packages. We want to use Angular's tooling, so we add the Angular package. To do this, we install @narwhal/Angular. Once this is finished, we can open this in our code editor of choice. I will be using VS Code. You can see NX has populated our workspace with some folders and files. We have an apps folder. This can contain any applications that we may have in our project. We'll not really be using that very much. We also have a libs folder. This can contain our individual libraries. In our case, these will be our component libraries. There are quite a few other files and folders in our project. The most important two are nx.json and workspace.json. nx.json primarily contains configuration for NX, telling it about the things that it can and can't cache. Lastly, we have workspace.json. This file is pretty empty at the minute, but as we start to add libraries to our project, this file will grow quite large. It contains all the information NX needs on how to run, build, test, and lint our projects. Now we're ready to get started creating some components.